Okay, let's dive into where we are in these markets. We're going to look at the DAX, the FTSE, euro dollar, and gold, and some crude oil, because we have some really big moves overnight into Friday this week. We're already red on the pro trend system on the German DAX already on our colours. We were looking for a short. So we've been short in the German DAX from just above 24,000 up about 500 points as we speak. We normally want to wait for red tracks and red candlesticks on the pro trend system, but because of this three-wave yellow that was kicking in here, this big divergence, we were going to take a red, and as soon as it turned red, we shorted it. Okay, so really nice move. We were looking for that on Monday Night Scan Club, and it came on Tuesday, so very nice. Got some more targets down below here, 23,029. Next target, 22,467, if you're looking for those certain targets. On this particular trade, I'm going to be just looking for a color change, okay? So something like this, big whoosh down. If we get a color change, I'll get out the trade. I mean, I'll be trading stops as well, though. So DAX is in red mode now, very overbought on the monthly. We're short on the DAX. Nasdaq daily chart is still green here, guys. So tech really holding up nicely. European markets, the DAX, having a bit of a sell-off. The US just on the brink of a potential rollover. Now, look, we've still got the same as the DAX. We've got this yellow on the storyteller indicator, but we haven't closed red yet on the pro trend system or tracks. So, look, we're still long side trades. And until we get this over here and this here, that's going to be replicated here, well, that will be the signal to short the markets. And at the moment, we don't have it. So this is great why the system gives us timing. If you're struggling with timing, the system is absolutely perfect. And we've hit profit targets after profit targets. Let's have a little look at gold. Gold market had a new buy signal right in here. We've been pushing higher. Next target, 3,463. Bit of a flight to safety going on. What I was looking for is this could turn red. I would have shorted this if it would turn red with red tracks, red pro trend system. But it didn't. We fired a new green. So long side trades. Next target, 3,463. Are we going to go and make a final wave up here? Well, we don't know. Nobody knows. We're trading a system that's highly profitable, and all we're looking for is the colors, keeping it really simple, trading those big moves potentially that could set up, and you just give up the need to be right. You just want to make some very nice returns here by just trading the colors, and that's what we're doing. We keep it really simple. One market we've been long from Scan Club several weeks ago was the oil market, and the oil market, because of troubles with Israel and Iran on Thursday night, we were already long. It's just amazing how the system gets you into trades before major news happens. It's like buyers, this inner circle of buyers, the big money's buying, but the system's already turning green alongside those guys buying, and then the news comes out and follows it, which was what happened on this day. We went from $68.50 to $77. Massive move, guys. Massive move. So we're already in this. We've been long on this oil market with a lovely flat storyteller here giving us the heads up that a big move could be coming. You know, we don't want to be buying anything when it's too high up. We want to find the start of the move. So oil's been great for the upside here. And when you get these big, wide-ranging candles, you know, it's a good. For me, I feel like I need to take bank some profit because they're small candles to start with, which you want to get in. And then when they're so big like this, just bank some profit. Just take a little bit off the table. But at the moment, we're still green. This could go on a much bigger move in crude oil. We could be up above $80 before we know it. Okay, so it's very volatile. It's very profitable. Let's see what the other markets have in store for us as well. FTSE 100, back to the indices here. Still green, guys, okay? No divergences down here. Still green, so still long and strong. If it turns red and we go with the other markets to the downside, I want to see all the markets, not just the DAX, drop in. If the Nasdaq, S&P, Dow drops, then I will, and the FTSE goes a red, then I'll maybe pick up a short on this one. But we are due. We're completely overbought here. And people say we're overbought, but the system's still green. Okay, so that's my strategy. I'm trying to follow the strategy. That's all I'm doing. Not trying to guess or predict where the market's going to go. I'm just following the colours. FTSE 100 still green. Let's have a look at Tesla. Had that huge sell-off And then we made a double bottom here, a couple of days down, and then this was the big one. Nice buy signal here, pushed all the way up, that big recovery. Found a peak. All right, so we're overbought here. We want to trail that stop, turned red, exit the trade. Short side trade. So myself and one of my students, we love a bit of trading of Tesla. This has been a good short for us so far, and we're still in a position here where we could see a further downside move. What is important here, guys, is that we do have a very flat storyteller. That means we're going to go on a move. This is going to just about to go on a big move. Looks like it's going to be down. It is red and down. And with the flat storyteller, volatility is low. Okay, so we could start to see a really big move in Tesla any day now. And euro dollar as well, just nice buys. Okay, so we hit that target 14,520 with next target 116.64. Careful a little bit here. We do have a major divergence. This looks like to me, and this is the great thing. I talk about structure and trends up in 5 waves, corrections in 2 waves. You know, trends that are strong often do more than 3 waves, and we've seen. Could you count the euro here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or is this a 1? Is this a 2? Is this a 3? Is this a 4? And then this 5 here completes the move with this great big, this yellow line should start to kick in soon with this great big divergence we got setting up. So I'm long euro, but very much move that stop up, very much looking to see if we have an ABC correction. If that is the key, if that is what's going to happen, not the key, but if that's what's the next footprint that's going to happen, we're going to see a red down for several days, little green up maybe a few days, and then another red down. So looking to trade that, guys, and I think we get some really big moves out of it. All right, so looks like the euro market against the US dollar is making a top. Overall, though, on the bigger time frame, we are still very bullish. So even though the daily time frame could have a correction and turn red on the color method, I still think that this is the start of a major move up in the euro dollar here. Okay, this is the bigger time frame. So this is the one we caught. Very nice move up. And now we're just finding a bit of a top. I think we should see a few days to maybe a few weeks down at some point here on the euro dollar. And then we see new green buy signals. Now, the thing is, I mean, it's still green. I'm just going to follow the colors, okay? And as much as I love my technical analysis and looking at patterns and trends, I'm still just trying to follow because the buyers are in control here on the system still. Once it turns red, then we'll get out. All right, guys, speak to you soon. Have a great rest of the weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell button as well for notifications.